Hey there, welcome back. I'm Ron Mullet. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how when you go to the lumber yard to buy a board and you're looking for that special board that you want to resaw and open up as a book match panel, what to look on the outside so that you understand what's on the inside. I've got two boards here. One's zebra wood, one is cherry. Let's start with this cherry. It's all straight grain down here. It has sapwood. It has a live edge. Now you can use the live edge as is. You can cut the live edge off, whatever you'd like to do. But when you resaw this, the other side is the same, exactly the same. So you're going to end up with a panel that opens up and you're going to have sapwood down the middle and all totally straight grain. Beautiful. I've done that many times and it's gorgeous. So here's something a little different. Okay, this is a piece of zebra wood. And I've used the rest of it on some other projects. So this is what I've got left. So I want to resaw some of this up. Now, on the front here, you can see it's got this big old knot. The important things about knot, I like to have the knot at the edge of the board. And also the knot should go straight through this way. Now you can see on this side, and this is where the knot originated right here. You don't want the knot to be going in here and coming out here because then you have to slip these two pieces of book match, and a lot of times that doesn't look very good. Also, the edge grain. You have to look at the edge grain, and it's got this nice little swoop here, swoop for lack of a better word, on the edge. So that's important also, I'll tell you in a minute. And then on the face grain, it's got this swoop on the outside. And you can see right here coming out from this knot, this little cathedral right here. Well, these cathedrals are about that far apart. But looking at this edge grain, how this slopes up like that, when you open this up on the inside, that will close these up and make a lot more, make them more defined. So having that knowledge, let's go ahead and open this up. Now I've already cut two 3/8 of an inch slabs off of this thing. So we'll just take that, put that over there. Now then, let's open this up. Wow. Yeah, I love that. Now that is dramatic to me. You can see where the knot was because it went straight through. They're exactly side by side. If they had gone through at an angle, you would have this one here and this one here. So that's what I mean, it doesn't work quite as well. The face grain, you can see the swoop on the face grain here. And you can also see the little cathedral that was above the knot, but these are closed up quite a bit more than they were on the face grain because the edge grain went like that. So those are three important things to look at. This one also has two holes here where a little branch grew through there and it didn't make it and it just rotted out. So it's got two little holes which really add to it. To me, this looks like a face and it has this elaborate headdress on. You can see in this whatever you want to see. This is straight off the bandsaw. I haven't sanded it, planed it, I haven't put any finish on it, nothing. It's straight off the saw. Oh, and by the way, you don't need a bandsaw to resaw lumber. You can resaw half of it, raise the blade as far as you can, flip the board over, resaw the other half, and then take a handsaw and cut that center section out. Run it through the planer, sand it, whatever you've got, and you've got two book match panels. This to me is going to look great on the face of a door on a whiskey cabinet that will hang on the wall. Yeah, I love it. There it is. I hope I've helped you a little bit in trying to understand by looking at the outside, what's on the inside. Hit that like button, I'd really appreciate that. And I'll see you on my next one.